Welcome back to the channel, guys. A little bit something different today. So we decided to pick up a mini bike from our local Princess Auto, which is like your Harbor Freight. So let's have a quick unboxing and see what we get.
Oh, nice. Here, can you get a picture?
So in about 3 minutes, we've got the bike undone, built, ready to go. We'll just drop the motor in and get it started up. Kickstand is on. We're just going to remove this chain guide because we have a larger clutch that's going to go on it. It doesn't fit inside that one.
Woo! Press the dead. I think your wheels are a little too tight.
No, there's still space in it.
Brake rubber or something?
Maybe.
Oh, the turning radius is not there. Here, open the garage. This is sweet.
Just taking the muffler and the airbox cover off so we can fit the engine in. All right, so there it is mocked up. We will have to modify the muffler a bit on this side because it is hitting right here. So we're gonna have to come out this side, and then we had to push it over a bit to make sure that our sprocket's in line with our chain and our rear sprockets. So that's why the engine has to be offset. So it'll be like that. We'll make it work. And we're back with the little mini bike. We're about to get it started and see how it runs. Just a bit of a recap. We got the larger clutch. We put it on the reverse way so that the lineup is nice and straight between these sprockets. It's a 12-tooth clutch that we've put on this. We've now hooked up the brakes and the throttle cable is done. So let's take it for a rip.
Oh, that's sick. Ready?
Yep.